Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a video decorating my April monthly layout. I will be using this cute sticker kit, monthly kit from my shop. It is a kit of 2 pages and it's April showers theme, and it says April showers bring May flowers in here. I know that these 2 columns are colored and it doesn't match them very well, but I don't mind. So that's what I will be doing today. I just want to start talking to you and asking you how you've been with all this stay at home. What are the things you're doing for you and for your family? I would love to know. I've been very busy trying to keep my daughter entertained and feeling... What did I did? Oh, this is going this way. I was mentioning entertain and, you know, happy, be inside the house with many activities. My husband works at a hotel and his old hotel closed and he's at home right now. You know, just waiting for all this situation to pass. I was supposed to start working as well outside of the house, and all that got postponed until further notice. So yeah, that's what we've been doing, trying to stay calm and enjoy our family, and, you know, stay away from just staying at home, trying to be safe and trying to have as best attitude as possible. So, since we are all at the house, you're gonna hear some background noises and things like that, especially maybe her or my husband. This is real, guys, you know? It's not any time. I don't have anymore the opportunity to do the voiceovers and things like that. I'm just gonna take this sticker. It is the rain boots and the umbrella that I did for this design, and I'm just going to take it and put it right here. And I also have a few bunnies that I took as well from this design, and in one of my other planners I took the Easter sticker. And what I did is I placed the bunny first, and then the Easter sticker, and I love how it turns out, and that is what I'm going to do in this one. These monthly pages are from my journal. It is a horizontal layout that I use as a journal, and what I do in this area is putting my mood. I never thought that I was going to enjoy recording or documenting my mood, and it's because I have a few stickers of, you know, mood trackers and things like that, and they are so cute. And when I go at the end, I can see everything. I'm gonna I put this box over here, and I'm gonna place the April's first here. I still have this kit available in my shop. If you haven't missed that video that I mentioned that I'm going to close my shop effective March 31st. I honestly have been receiving comments, private comments to some of my customers asking if I'm gonna stay now that everything is going on, but honestly I don't know. That is something that I'm thinking of, but I have to look for some other factors before making any decision. So I don't want to jump into the commitment of saying that I'm gonna stay, but if you see this video before May 31st, you can take advantage of that I'm still open and get this kit. I do have a coupon code for all my YouTuber friends, and it is under the description of this video, as well as the link, just in case you're interested and if you want to get this kit. Oops! I'm not supposed to put this over here. I'm wondering how it's gonna look if I put it right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it right there. And I would love to find a quote for my sidebar. I'm gonna check the spring book. I don't know why but I love placing a square box on the day that there's a holiday. I honestly don't know why, but I love how it looks. Okay, this is how my spread looks. I like this one that says splash in puddles better because it's a rain theme, showers theme. This is how much is left because, as I told you before, I just placed some emotions in this area. I don't track any pay dates or anything like that because this is my journal section in my transformer planner. Thank you so much for your time, love and support, for being here and watching this video. In case you're new, hi, I'm Sania and I upload videos at least 3 times a week. I hope you consider to subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Thank you so much, cuties, for being here. Stay safe, big hugs for you, and like always, I will see you next time. Bye.